nod off. To fall asleep for a short time when you are sitting.
I started to nod off during the long meeting. The baby nodded off in the car seat.
Wake someone up. To make someone stop sleeping.
I had to wake him up for school. The loud noise woke her up in the middle of the night.
Toss and turn. To move around in bed and change positions frequently.
He tossed and turned in bed, worrying about his exam. The hot weather made me toss and turn all night.
Sleepwalk. To walk while sleeping.
She was found sleepwalking in the hallway. He sleepwalks in the middle of the night.
Catnap. A short, light sleep, usually taken during the day.
I took a quick cat nap on the couch. He had a cat nap during his lunch break.
Nightmare. A very bad or scary dream.
She woke up sweating from a terrible nightmare. His recurring nightmares make it hard to sleep.
Sleepover. To stay overnight at someone's place.
My friends are coming to sleep over this night. The kids love to sleep over at their grandpa's house.
Doze off. To fall asleep, usually for a short time in a relaxed way.
He dozed off while studying for her exam. The old man dozed off in his rocking chair.
Drift off. To gradually or slowly fall asleep.
She closed her eyes and began to drift off to sleep. He drifted off while listening to soft music.
Sleep in. To stay in bed and sleep longer than usual.
I love to sleep in on weekends. She accidentally slept in and was late for work.
Nap. A short sleep usually taken during the day.
I took a short nap after lunch. The baby finally went down for a nap.
Crash out. To fall asleep suddenly due to tiredness.
I was so tired, so I crashed out on the couch. He crashed out as soon as he got home from work.
Oversleep. To sleep too long and wake up later than planned.
He overslept and missed his meeting. She tends to oversleep on weekends.
Stay up. To not go to bed and remain awake for a longer time than usual.
He tries to stay up but always falls asleep early. We stayed up all night talking.
Drowsy. Feeling very sleepy or tired, often struggling to stay awake.
He rubbed his eyes, feeling drowsy and tired. She was too drowsy to keep reading.